Whoever takes their hand off last gets the $300,000 car.
Oh, he's out.
What happened?
It was all in my face and I reacted.
Congratulations on being first out. Here's $1,000. 49 of you remain. Raise your right hand if you're hungry. One of these times we're gonna get someone. Well, anyways, we brought you all pizza. Give me a second.
Oh yeah, good stuff.
I'm hoping that while they're all eating, some people slip up and take their hands off. And with so many people packed together, it didn't take long for something to happen.
Somebody stepped on my foot, I moved my hand. I got to see my kid though.
The Lambo would have been cool though.
It's harder than it looks to remember not to use one of your hands. All it takes is one little slip up and one of our 50 cameras will catch it. The water bottle falls. Yep. You go to pick it up. You then stare at the camera. Whoever gets out next gets a special prize, but you have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. It is a brand new Nissan. Congratulations on the brand new car. Later, nerds, drive us off.
I don't know where we're going.
It's almost midnight and I'm gonna give them sleeping bags because I want them to fall asleep and accidentally take their hand off the Lamborghini. Who wants a sleeping bag? Here you go, here's a sleeping bag. I did not mean to hit him in the nuts. Here's some sleeping bags. All right, everybody, get a good night's rest.
I think these guys on the ground definitely have a top tier strategy. We don't trust ourselves sleeping because our hands are gonna move.
It turns out he was right.
Someone fell asleep and I don't feel like waking him up. I'm gonna give him $1,000 with this sticky note.
So you woke up and what'd you find?
$1,000.
Who put that there?
I don't know.
Good morning, everybody. 28 of you survived the night. How are you feeling?
Half the team here hate me, I don't know.
I hate him. He talks too much.
Oh wow, really?
It's time we do something special, okay? Bring in the ramp. Full disclosure, everybody, we built this ramp in the last 10 minutes, so who knows what will happen.
I clapped.
Oh, really? We are now in the top 20. Only 19 people stand between you and a Lamborghini. We're a little over a day into this challenge, and so far 30 people have gotten out. I want to get to the top 10 as soon as possible. So I'm gonna bring out the big guns. Bring her on in. As you can see, we have another car to give away. How many of you would like to walk away with this brand new Mustang? It's a Camaro. I don't know cars. Whoever touches the Camaro first can keep it. Oh, technically.